While the world is transfixed on the Afghanistan crisis, three different parts of the world are experiencing three different threats. Russia is battered and ravaged by heavy rain and floods, while Florida and Haiti are bracing to thunderous storms. Take a look. These visuals of strong winds and showers are from Florida in the United States. Tropical Storm Fred, one of the three Atlantic storms being monitored by the National Hurricane Center, made landfall in Florida on Monday. Thousands of people were left without power, while several communities were displaced. The storm triggered strong waves in the Apala-Chicola Bay region. Storm Fred gripped various regions in Florida and threw normal life out of gear. Now, take a look at this heart-wrenching video. Tropical Storm Grace casts a rain spell on Haiti. An earthquake survivor in her 90s was displaced because of heavy rains. Recently, a devastating earthquake hit Haiti which killed over 2,000 people. Grace played spoilsport during search and rescue operations that followed the disaster. These are the visuals from Russia's Black Sea coast area, which is completely flooded with rains. The deluge clearly shows how Russia has been battered by the downpours. The wholesale vegetable market in Crimea is swamped with rains. Almost 1,000 children have been evacuated from summer camps as freak storms and flooding hit Russia's south. An emergency has been declared in the city of Anapa.
С детьми это просто жесть.